Starting up, second match, up against Captain Croatia. I'm not going two-way again with this one. And okay, with the suspicious bush, the thing about suspicious bush is you actually should be able to time your cards better. You can easily defend the suspicious bush because they don't have any damage when they actually pop out. Using the Spirit Empress as an air troop, that is one of the best decisions that I can make actually. He's using Ram Rider just like the previous guy was using a Hog Rider. We can hope that they actually... If the Spirit Empress gets a better value than even the Ghost, that would be good. But as you see, it didn't do any good damage. Not even better than the Ghost. It's a legendary 3LXM mini tank. Ram Rider is an easy kill for Lumberjack. And I have 2 ground cards. At least he reached with the dash. Let's push back the princess. The Royal Ghost is actually a very good card. We are not defending that bush that easily, right? He's actually trying to push a lot with that. Ram Rider is his best way to defend and to attack. So he's putting it in the back to slow down my pushes. But I don't think he has so much cards to cycle the Ram Rider and the Suspicious Bush faster. So he always tries to cycle it using the Princess and the Ice Golem. Let's just hope that the Mother Witch gets many pigs this time. He has used the very wrong cards. I mean, keeping the bats when there is Mother Witch behind, it's not a good idea at all. Okay, so he took away the tower and we have the Spirit Empress in the air, but my Lumberjack is already there. As you can see, he kept the Ram Rider at the back again to slow down the battle ram, but he couldn't do much. And our Lumberjack reached it. And that was an out. Okay, second game and it's good. Starting with the third gameplay against Alberto 845. He's playing Goblin Barrel. The first go. Let's create some pigs, but that was not that useful. Let's Lumberjack the tower. Let's see what he has in defense. He doesn't have a building. That's what I'm sure of now. If he would have a building, he would have used it against Lumberjack the first thing. He has 2 air defenses up until now. I've got the Princess and the Goblin. Using the Spirit Empress to save my tower from Princess damage. Oh, he does have the cannon. Okay, that's a good one. I am not that good and well versed with Heal Spirit. You can obviously see that I have pretty bad timing with the Heal Spirit. He's using Dart Goblin to defend most of the pigs. And he's also using Valkyrie. Valkyrie is one of the best cards to defend. It's a very good defense card, but you should also know how to use her for an attack. She's very useful. So we've already got his tower down to 1632 and he plays the Princess. Let's get the Golden Knight, and the Battle Ram. Okay, I do have Elixir finally. And with hitting the tower, he plays Evolution. Still, he couldn't get a good defense. That's a 700 on his tower. We still have 17. He's playing Goblin Barrel again. Let's try the Spirit Empress. Whenever you have a push ready to actually defend your tower win condition, the win condition from air damage, you put the win condition on the bridge so that you get the best value out of it. There you go, the Mother Witch is the best one here. She actually is one of the best things that is helping me create damage. She is the one that is helping me create those pigs that are attacking. I can't help anything more than that for the Goblin Barrel. But if I don't keep the pressure on him, that was the worst decision. He just killed his own evolution. And that was a close call. If I would have not kept attacking on this guy, it would have been very much harder to kill him out. Up against the fourth battle against Wompy. Okay, he's going first. Thank you very much. He's playing Bandit and Battle Ram. So let's defend it while we can. I don't think he has much air cards in the map right now. That Lumberjack Rage obviously helped me. It's a bad idea. He placed bats on my Mother Witch. Thank you so much for giving me extra attack points. He deserves a well played. He didn't see that Mother Witch. I don't think that you can ignore such a big card on the map, can you? Okay, let's go another side. And I think it's a classic 1v1 battle. I'm pretty sure that this guy is going to give up. He has. Who doesn't defend their own cards up against Mother Witch? Mother Witch is a very weak card if it's alone. And I love that emote. I've recently got that emote from the shop. And so obviously I should be using it very well, right? We are just using that emote very well, and he has given up. I am actually taking up Evolution Lumberjack to the best of my use because it was the latest evolution that I unlocked. Let's chip the tower away. He's already given up at this point. The bad idea that he used was actually hitting me first, when he should have known that if you use all your win conditions first, the person that you're playing against can make a very strong strategy and hit you back. It was a classic 1v1, so I don't think that there was much problem with the trophies, and that's why he was using a relaxed deck and he didn't try up until his end to push. But still, it was a good gameplay and I enjoyed it. Coming to the final part of the video, the conclusion, the overview that I had. So you've seen the 4 gameplays and you've also seen what I said on the starting of the video. You already know that I actually want to rate this card a proper 6 out of 10. It's not great, it's not low, but it's average, very average. I am not happy with the pricing on Elixir. I'm not happy with the attack and the hit speed. I'm not sure if it will do better if I actually increase the level of this card. I do have legendary book and I do also have legendary wild cards, but I'm very resistant to use it on this card because I don't think that it will get any better. If this card can be included in my everyday decks, then yes, obviously I will try to increase its level, but I don't think that it is very much useful in the arena. I would rather spend those legendary cards and everything, the book, on the Royal Ghost or some other card that I'm using in the League of Legends or the Trophy Road. I don't want to play this card on the trophy road. I don't want to lose my trophies. I don't want to gamble on them. And that's why it is a card that I would not prefer very much. On high trophies, on with a player that is actually a champion, with a player that has played very well since 9-10 years of this game, congratulations, you're doing great. But I don't know about me, I'm actually not going to use this for myself. Okay, and that's it for this video. Spirit Empress, I'm actually thinking to obviously use other decks, but let's see what happens and how fast can I actually come up with new ideas for her. And till then, you keep playing and enjoying the clash, and I'll see you in the next one.